You will get whatever it is that you want when you understand this concept. I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, I will be giving you guys a perspective on what you guys need to know when it comes to manifesting with the law of attraction, the law of assumption. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new content. My next video that I put out may be the one that you need to see. If you have already started your co-creating journey and you have manifested something in your life, I don't care how big or small, go ahead and give this video a like. In the comments, drop an emoji about how you feel today. Before we get started, I do want to read a quick testimonial to give you guys a little motivation in your co-creating journey. It says, "Hey boo, my name is Sharonda and I'm from Philadelphia. I just wanted to let you know how much you've helped me. I meant to email you last week and tell you that your blueprint helped a lot with my business. I went from barely making any sales each week to having $500 days. For the first time as an adult, I'm no longer stressed about finances. I'm still in shock, to be honest. I use your blueprint as a guide to manifesting more business and life. I know I can achieve anything if I just focus and follow the steps. You are amazing. Your video that you just put out reminded me to tell you life's good. Thank you so much." So shout out to Sharonda. I know how it is. First time as an adult when you finally feel like you can breathe. The most amazing feeling ever. My law of attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box below. They are for instant download, including my How to Manifest ebook, the second edition. If you bought it like years ago, I have put out a second edition. It's 118 pages. I also have 16 different guided scripting packages about all kinds of subjects, including money, manifesting an S-bag, manifesting a conversation with a specific person, dream car, dream house. They're fun packages that it will allow you to focus on what you should be focusing on instead of you focusing on what's not there yet. Click the link in my description box below. And my apologies to anybody who have tried to download it before and the webpage was looking messed up on mobile for some reason. I'm just now catching it. Usually y'all tell me. Usually y'all tell me what's going on my website. You know, I caught it. It's all good. So on to this video. You will get whatever it is that you want when you understand this concept. This isn't something that I made up. This isn't something, I'm only 31. I did not make this up. People have been co-creating way before me and will be co-creating way after me. Your life is a mirror of your thoughts and your energy. What you receive is what you have put out into the universe. I'm going to give a couple examples so you really understand what I'm saying. I've had to learn this the hard way, especially dealing with people. And it is mind-blowing to me. It's mind-blowing to me when I really realize this. How I thought about a person in our relationship and our circumstances were mirrored back to me by that person. My relationships with people were at its strongest when I focused on them thought-wise. And my thoughts surrounding that person was like, oh my gosh, this person is amazing. I just love this person. Like, my thoughts were very magnetic in a positive way. It's like, I love spending time with that person. And when they see me, they're mirroring back the energy that I'm putting out there. Like how I'm thinking about them, they're mirroring back the energy. It sounds crazy. It does. But when I realize this, it's like, I just put all this good energy, all this good thoughts into you, and here you are pretty much giving me that same energy back through your actions. And when I stopped focusing on them, my thoughts about them was like blah. The energy that I received back from them was blah. The concept of your life is a mirror, it really hit me because I'm like, what I put into that, my thoughts and my energy into a situation or how I think about a person, a thing, money, whatever it is, that's how it comes back to me. Just practice it. If say you're married and your marriage isn't going the best, think of that person, highlight the best things about that person. Highlight in your mind the best memories you have with that person. Really, really get tickled at the thought of them and how things were when they were good. And notice over time how they start acting more happy around you, etc. Now, your life is a mirror and it reflects back what you think about certain things. It includes money. It includes money. How I think about money? When I'm in the flow of receiving, you know what my thoughts are? Money is easy to get. It's super easy to get. I'm not even worried about it because more money is coming in. I'm spending money. I'm in the flow because I know for sure more money is coming back. How I think of it, it's easy. There's a lot of it. There's an unlimited amount of it. There's unlimited ways I can receive it. Having money is fun. And I started to look at bills the same way. I'm not irritated when I get a new bill. It's like, oh, I got a new bill. No big deal. I can pay it. I can pay it. I can pay it. Those shoes, I can buy that. That vacation, no problem. As I'm saying these, I really do believe it. Because I'm building my relationship with money. And it's no longer, oh, Lord, I got this bill coming. Dang, I can't afford that. No, change your mindset and watch that be mirrored back to you. But yeah, those are just examples. Instead of when you see a bill coming, don't smack your teeth. It's like, oh, Lord, it's going to suck up all my money. No, it's not going to suck up all your money. It's not, because more money is coming. My relationship with money is great. Any little thing, your job. I had somebody send a testimonial in. They changed their mindset about their work environment. At first, it was not a pleasant work environment until they started changing how they thought about work and the people at work. Say Joe was getting on his nerve at first. They changed it. This is just for example. Joe is actually pleasant to work with. Guess what? Joe started becoming pleasant to work with. You are the co-creator. So whatever you want mirrored back to you, start with your thoughts. Your thoughts create emotions. Your emotions are energy. So once you grasp the concept of you are one big mirror and whatever you put out is going to be mirrored back to you. It just really start paying attention. Start paying attention to it. I'm telling you, it's crazy. I had to realize this, but I want to share that with you guys. I am Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. Thank you for all the tips, donations. I highly appreciate it. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you for sending in your testimonials to my email. Thank you for all of that. Like I said, my Law of Attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box below. You can also see more testimonials on the pages of what other people are saying. I thank y'all. I love y'all. Thank you for every like, comment, share. And until next time.